next level, that how this hierarchy levels looks like. So it's a pyramid level. Yes, yeah, yeah. So it's kind of like hierarchy is a where there is a few people in the top, usually few people in the top, okay, and more people in the like in the middle, and the greatest people like more like is in the down level over there, right? So usually the senior level there are few people like one, two, three. In the middle level there are more workers over there. In operation level there are very much more many people over there. So they have more responsibility and they are the manager. They manages this thing, okay, and this
Yes.
thing as well via it, okay. So sometimes they directly manages the operational level, but most of the time they are managing through the middle management over there. They are not directly. In case if there is a serious problem, then the boss can call the employee, please come to my office, we want to discuss it. Otherwise mostly it is through this one, and they call them, right? So this is the hierarchy over there. So same thing is being said in this paragraph. It says that business organization are hierarchies consisting of three principal levels. Okay, so how many levels we have it? Principal levels. There can be more level, but usually this is the principal level. Like a normal understanding, we say that there is a senior level, there is a middle management level, and the operational management level over there. So information systems serve each of these levels. Scientists and knowledge workers often work with the middle management over there. Now some more information on that, connecting to the previous slide. Organization level and the information system, separation of business functions, okay. So sometimes some business functions are separated with respect to the domains means with respect to the specific area, like sales and marketing is a different, so it will have a different unit. Human resource is a different, it will have a different unit. And similarly finance and accounting and manufacturing and productions over there as well. Okay. So separation of business functions are also being done over there. And then we have a unique business processes. Unique business processes, like we are having many unique business processes over there. So it depends that depends on factory to factory or company to company, that what are their processes with respect to the information system. And apart from that one, it has a unique business culture as well. Like they have different will having a different culture as well, and organizational politics. Okay, so what are the politics over in the organizations over there? So depending on that.